Captivating Cappadocia presents
Hello, this is Duke with CaptivatingCappadocia.com. Here's what we're going to do for this one. This is the giveaway for Hugh Pope's book, The Sons of the Conquerors. Hugh has graciously agreed, generously agreed, to sign it and send a copy to one person that we choose. Now we had 26 people sign up for the contest, and what we're going to do, I took all the names, I put them in a hat, I made a bracket here like it's March Madness or something in November, and we drew out of a hat all the names and wrote them down on the board. And you'll notice there's only 26 people that signed up. I needed 32, so I gave 6 buys for the first round, and so those people just got the luck of the draw. Now, what I've done is I've taken coins. This is a lira piece, and on one side it has a name, this name, Amy, and the other side it says Adana. I'm going to drop these coins from our first floor balcony onto our 0th floor terrace, and the winner, whichever name lands on top, we'll put that name there, and then we'll line them up again and do it again until we get to the winner. So let's go outside and see who wins.
Hi, I'm Hudson. We're on the balcony and we're going to drop these coins down to see who wins the first round.
I'm Kate. I'm Weston.
Okay, drop them down. Is that all of them? Okay, we drop them.
I already have all of them.
Is that all? Count them, Hud.
1,
Okay, let's drop them for the second round. Go! Okay, here they are on the ground. Okay, here we are with the Elite 8. Drop them. Okay. So here's our final 4. Nathan versus Amy and J.M. Giles versus Josh. 4, and Hudson's gonna drop them. Let's see, Hudson. Okay, here's our final, Amy versus J.M. Giles. Let's drop the coin and see what happens.
we are dropping our final coin. Giles.
J.M. Giles. Okay, so we finally have our winner here, J.M. Giles. We will let Mr. Pope know and he will send you a book. Congratulations. This is Duke and Hudson and Kaylee and Weston signing off from Captivating Cappadocia.